That was awesome.
And oh, there's a ball.
Oh no, 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 let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out.
Oh, there's a peanut.
Bring the elevator back up.
There's a peanut. There's a peanut. I'm not going over that. That's a no-go.
Go back up, go back up, go back up, go back up, go back up. No, no! There's no way that just happened. All SCPs are on top. They're all above. You're safe there.
Oh, that's not good. Safe.
Yeah, you're safe for now. Don't worry about it.
Weird. I hear heavy footsteps.
Oh, watch out. Hey. Is you with me now? Oh, 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 oh.
I need a gun.
Damn, y'all are some big bags.
Big back pit.
Oh, come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Give me some ammo, bro.
Hell no. This shit mine.
Man, fuck you.
Wait, here. Grenade, take the grenade. Alright, let's go do some damage. You can get your shit stolen. I already know it's gonna happen. I see you, Joking Master. Oh no, you didn't.
Should I eat the black candy, guys?
I want to. Yeah, do it. You didn't have to. Hey, yo, what's up, my guy? I don't know why I did that action. I hate myself. The fuck? You good?
No.
Oh. Okay. That's very nice of you.
Gentle gentleman.
Gentlemen.
Pornography post?
Oh!
I keep on finding coins. Why?
That's a good thing!
Yeah, why are you complaining about finding coins?
Bro, suffering from success.
Yeah, stop suffering from success.
Literally.
Your mother?
How dare you? You do not talk about my mother like that. Doctor! Bye. Oh. You can come down, we're safe. Y'all just kinda drive me up. Why do you actually sound like a car battery roll?
Yeah!
Oh my god!
I screamed a boom right there. In the... Yeah.
Bye! Fuck that. Hell no. Hell, you fucked up. You can't do that. Look at that, zombie. What? No! What the fuck? Bro, how? Oh my god, why is he so fast?
Hello.
Hello. Uh-oh. I have pink candy.
Candy goblin?
I have pink candy.
Please don't. Wait. I have a proposition. We work together. I'm candy goblin, you're addict.
Okay,
I also have pink candy. You want it?
sure.
That's my symbol of trust.
Yeah. I need to get as many pink candies as possible.
Black candy can't turn me into a skeleton.
I wanna be. Yo, bro, I got 2 pink candy.
Well,
None for you.
Skeleton.
Do it.
They're mine. No, I'm not doing it.
Wait, can I get one? Can I get one?
No.
Please. Aww.
They're mine.
Oh, wait, this is perfect time. Perfect time. Perfect time. Perfect time.
What?
I'm a great cool. I'm feeling good, but you make me angry.
One candy.
Behind you. Behind you, Sandus.
Don't worry, I'll save you! I'm coming. Wait for me. Right, that's alright. Get something here. I don't even know if I have the right requirements. I do. I can't believe I did that. He went down. Thank God.
Yeah, also, I was gonna pink candy you. Were you the guy that I didn't let me get in the elevator?
Yeah, I juked your ass in the elevator.
Yeah, I was gonna pink candy you.
Oh, was that you who died?
Pink candies.
Oh my God.
Hey, the guy, can I get 1 pink?
Hey, no way. Oh. How do you feel? What? What? Huh?
We should call it down, actually.
Don't go in there! There was 3 of them. There was 3. You can't see me. You can't see me, no. You can't see me. Get out of here. You can't see me right now. You're blind. You know that? Oh! Shaquille Steel!
Oh, the Doomslayer.
Shaquille Steel! No!
Hi there. I see you got something very deadly there.
Yes, truly. I'm gonna have fun with this too.
Yeah.
So, you got some coin. I don't have any coins.
Black candy?
Oh fuck. What happened to your
Don't
ball?
worry, I'm the ball tamer.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah.
Oh shit, can I get one? Can I get one of your balls?
I'm gonna safely drop it.
Thank you.
Yes, we are the ball tamers.
We are ball tamers.
We're taming the ball in our hand.
I grabbed one of your balls, how do you feel?
Please caress it.
What? Don't say that again. You're gonna make me act up.
Please caress my balls better.
No!
No, it's not.
How dare you? You really are a chud, you know that?
Yes, I know I am.
Oh. Holy fuck!
Well, now if you think about it, I made him waste all of his fucking health for
Yeah.
2 NTF.
Honestly, that's valid.
So, I'm now not a chud.
Yeah, that was value, right?
No, I'm still a chud.
Bro. Why you sound so sad? He's like, oh no, I'm a chud. Yo, what's up, chud? I missed you.
Hello, my name's Chud. I'm a chud.
What? What the fuck happened? What?
Oh my god.
What the fuck happened to him?
He must have been a chud.
He must have. I love the server.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, there's some stuff that I feel like should just be in the base game.
Yeah, especially when I'm with you.
Oh.
I'm joshing you.
Duped! You got duped!
Wow! Hey! Hey! Wow.
You should give me the coin.
No, it's mine.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Spell coin.
K-L-O-P.
In Latin.
No. You miss me already?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're raging.
Oh, I'm blushing. Oh, fuck! I'm not going down without a fight, doctor! Okay, that's all I got. So.
Oh, hello. Are you a skeleton?
Oh, fuck!
I only have like 2 skeleton jokes total.
I got a skeleton of those. Nah, you don't want to come down here.